Let's see what we got going on today. I'm getting everything set up on the YouTube side. Hey. It's so funny. I sound like a broken damn record with the same breakdown every single day. It's been buying. That's all you really can say. No bottom wick on the daily, just absolutely ripping. That's all we doing, just ripping up. So at this point, direction is buys. We know ultimate direction is buys, but it ain't nothing wrong with selling at the top too. So let's see what the 4 hour is doing. No top wick on the 4 hours, so I'm not surprised that we're coming down a little bit. And you start getting to the weeds of the 1 hour. You can see that it kind of came near this area, which is a resistance. But I'll probably start basing my support and resistance levels off of the 30-minute, where you start seeing a resistance, a floor. So you want to see a ceiling and a floor, ceiling and a floor. So likely, if we were to get a closure above here, price will probably just keep on rallying the way it's been doing. Y'all know when we're at all-time highs, I usually try to work in 50-pip increments. So if we're above 40.71, that target for me would be 40.76. No real method or reason why. Just price tends to move in 50-pip increments that I've known, or that I've seen kind of in the last 5-6 years of doing this. And then the more clear positions will be sells below here. So be under there, we should have no issue coming down into here. So, and then I guess long target will kind of be trying to fill this wick right here. So right now, it's kind of hanging out in the range. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what we usually come to. 15 minutes, same story right here. But James Kirkland III is not taking nothing inside of any of this. This is a range. That's what I call a range. That's what Tony will be trading.
Wow.
But me, I'm good.
That's crazy.
That's not your cup of tea, bro?
Nah.
Nah, it'll be smooth. It'll be smooth. Let's see, I'm gonna go add no trade day. The yesterday's stream. Man, Brandon need that belt emoji bad yesterday, bro. He was acting up. I said, what you said? What happened? You need that belt. That boy need to be put over it. You know, somebody need to. Boy was trading in the range, looking sad. It's gonna get you though. It'll get you every time. Go ahead and keep playing with it. Man, put over that knee. You know how it go. It's only Gabe you make it that, bro. I'm just talking about you need to be whooped. You want some wood? That's what you want me to say? Morning. Good morning, Don. All right. You got a lot to learn. So we gonna start you off as if you are a baby in this.
On your sales, so, James, are you gonna
yes, sir.
Are you gonna move it up to the body? Like,
I was really going off of
or you
this.
Oh, okay.
So like it's a small difference, but it shouldn't matter. It shouldn't too much matter. But let me do the breakdown again, because we got some new faces in here. And Don, just so you know, I stream on YouTube every single day as well. So if you ever want to go rewatch the streams or kind of like go over what I said again, every single day I go live. They're all recorded.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's real helpful for people.
This is daily from 8:30 to what time?
8:30 to anybody that knows me knows I'm not really trying to be here past like 10. honestly.
Okay.
Like no more than 10. 10 is a stretch. But if we can catch something at 8:45, I'm off at 8:45. I ain't gonna lie to you, or unless I'm just chatting.
Yep.
But yeah, I'm just what I try to focus on, and like I said, I gotta go break this down from like baby steps, which ain't a bad thing. I try to focus on one trade a day, one session a day, and one pair. So the pair is GC, which is gold. Gold is the one singular pair that I focus on and that I teach. So in doing so, I feel like it's kind of like dating somebody. When you learn one person, you learn the intricate details of one person. But when you try to, date a lot of people, stuff can fall through the weeds. So one thing I've realized, that thing that messes people up is over risking and over trading. So that means that they take too many trades in a day, and on the trades they do take, they put too much risk on the table. So in turn, I've kind of found out that less is actually more for me. And by less, I mean less time and less trades. So I'd rather go a little bit heavier, quote unquote, on one A+ setup than I would on anything and everything that I see. So I start with the daily time frame, and y'all joined at an interesting time because of how gold has just been running up. So the dollar is getting weaker, obviously, just with what's going on in the world. So gold has just been on an absolute tear. This is the daily time frame, daily. So the daily has just been pushing up and 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 up. Like this is July down here. We are in October all the way up here. So that being said, I know that the ultimate direction of everything is bullish, but people, when they see my trading style, they don't realize that my average trade time is 2 to 3 minutes in a trade. So all this is fine and dandy, but all I need to do is find my one move. So I start with the daily, I'll look at the 4-hour, but ultimately I'll mark up my support and resistance zones either off the 1 hour, which is this, or the 30-minute, which is this. What is a support? A support is the floor. What is a resistance? A resistance is the ceiling. Support, the floor. Resistance, the ceiling. So I look at three things. I look at a breakout, which is a closure below or a closure above. So it's breaking outside of the range. Or I look at for a fake out, which is a closure below, and then it doesn't break the candle that just closed below or above, and then it closes back inside the range. So I would anticipate that if it closed below but didn't make its down move, that once it closes back above, it's actually going to come back up the same way it did here, the same way it did here, the same way it did here. So you don't need too much according to what lot size you're using. Like I said, this is a lot, so I'm gonna say it a million times. I say it every single day on the stream. So we'll use easy numbers. 40, 60, right over here, to 4060.1 is called one tick. On a 1 GC, that's $10. 4060 to 4061 right here on a 1 will be $100. Same as the cases of 2, $20 versus $200. Same as cases of 3, $30 versus $300. So it's really all just about your leverage. So if I go just to a 5-minute candle and I see this one 5-minute candle right here, that wound up falling 70 pips in 5 minutes. On a 1, $700. On a 10, $7,000, et cetera, et cetera. So that's how quickly people make and lose money in trading. Yeah, that quick, like that. And that's why I say, like, my average trade time, I don't really need to be in here for too long when I know that I'm waiting to see one thing and take my money and go on and enjoy my life. So, for example, I wait on 15-minute closures at worst. If this candle in 7 minutes, which would be the 8:45 closure, closes below this range right here, I look for clean candles to the left right here to mirror what's going. So what went up, I'm looking for it to come down. what goes up must come down. So let me see if I can give an example of what I wouldn't trade. So for example, something like this. This is real choppy to me. Like it's not a clear direction of where price is going. It's up, it's down, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. But if I were to look at, harder to just pull it out. Okay, something like this. This is just a random day that I found. Granted, this closed kind of far from the support. I would like to have closed a little bit closer to support because it filled most of the range down. But if I were to be looking for a sell, I would simply wait on this candle to close below, have an entry right here on the break of this low after it closed below the range, closure below. And I don't, all this is fine and dandy. That's great. I would love to have caught this. I would be perfectly fine catching this to this right here. Closure below, target the next support, call it a day. Same as the case if you're the type that can hold for longer. That's fine. That's great. You would have got 160 in 15, 30, or 30 minutes. Cool. Great. But like I said, I'm not here for a long time because I can't deal with the swings, the pullbacks, and everything in between. I trade very large lots. So what we do, we trade what are called prop firm accounts. So people always think they got to start with so much money, this, that, and the third. So over the last, I say 3, 4, 5 years, prop firms have become very prevalent. So this is my bread and butter. This is my baby. So back in April, April 16th, I started with 3 accounts, $399, $399, and $518.70 for 3 150K accounts. Okay, so that's $1,316.70. From that $1,316.70, I have withdrawn now from just this prop firm alone. Let's see, pull it up. $32,699 from 1,300. And that's just with one prop firm. So now I have the leverage to trade 13 accounts across 4 different prop firms. And that's just what leverage does for you. So Jamal, he started with one 150K account, which with my code Trading Homes, I believe is like $490.
Okay.
And he turned that into $3,150 in the span of a month, like 15 trading days. So he turned $490 into $3,000 in the span of a month. Well, what did Jamal do? Much like myself, he went and bought 2 more accounts because the most you can have at one time with this specific prop firm on this account size is 3 accounts. And I want to say, let me see if they're still doing it. Okay, so you can only trade 3. Yeah, it's just 3 now. But anyway, that being said, cool. So with my code, like I said, Trading Homes rather than trade is 45% off as opposed to 40% off. And you don't even got to start with 150Ks. Like Adrian, he started with 25Ks. Antonio, he has 25Ks. Brandon has 100Ks. Roger has 50Ks. Like it's whatever you think is best, just to dip your toe and start, because ultimately all you're trying to do is just learn at this point. You don't know anything. So if you're just trying to learn at this point, I would say maybe watch for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. But then you gotta just start. Like you have to just start, get a feel of the platform and all that stuff. And it'll be best as we're taking trades for you to kind of see what I'm talking about and when I'm talking about it. But it's definitely real. And I know a lot of the people in here can kind of vouch. Like Antonio was a quick learner too, of just understanding what's going on. Now he's just kind of finding what makes the most sense for his trading style. But I mean, the results are there. That's 42,000 in 4 days. But it's just leverage. It's literally just leverage. That's all it is. Just leveraging these accounts for each other. And I like the fact that it's a low barrier to entry, if you will. For example, you can get a $50,000 account for $350 or $360 with my code. And the trick is you got to make 6% before you lose 4%. Okay. So with as much as we win, it should happen that way. But on the off chance it doesn't, it's only $350. Like it ain't like you just lost $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. So Brandon, for example, he lost 5, 6, 7 accounts because he couldn't control his emotions. But then he goes and gets a $3,000 payout, and he's already on track to another $3,000 payout. So it's just when you get in that mindset of like that switch, that flips of like, okay, I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm not going to overtrade. I'm not going to over risk. But I think I know your personality type. And I think I know that you probably going to like just learn a little bit before you just jumping off the porch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I say I'm tripping. There's an instant sim funded, which most of us in this group have. And then there's a one-step elite challenge. Now, this is really inexpensive. You can start for $41 a month, $59 a month. But you have to make the profit target, which is that 6%. Then you have to pay an activation fee. So at that point, you paying $149 plus the $59, which is already $210. And instead, you could have paid $350 and made the profit target one time, and you would actually get paid. So it's just like, which one would you rather do? Me, I'm going to just go ahead and go for that money and take my time. That's what I would suggest to somebody, rather than you playing with this, having to make the profit target 2 times, and still, getting paid once.
Yeah.
Because you might as well start with the instant and take your time. Because while I'm saying there's GC, there's also MGC, which is the micro version of gold. In micro gold, you trade, it's $1, $2, $3, $4 instead of 10, 20, 30, 40. So yeah, that's a lot, I know, but I'll keep working on it. And like I said, we'll go over a beginner's Zoom probably this weekend if y'all have the availability.
Okay.
Cool. Let me see what the YouTube talking about, because I know they be tapped in. Oh, Melinda, you know you my girl. Melinda be tapped in. She got the whole rundown too. She said, she's like, how do I join? Tonio, I'm not liking this closure, sir. No, sir. I'm not. It ain't bad. No. It's not bad. It's under this. Yeah. It's a good opening.
I mean, yeah, it's not terrible to me.
If it can give me a real good top wick, a real good one. Let's see. If this is the only top wick, and when I say I want a top wick, y'all, that means that I want a place like it's kind of come up and give me a stop loss. And that's what I'm thinking. Because if I enter on the break of this low right now, I'm basically saying that I'm not expecting price to go up 15 pips and get me out of there. But the real stop loss will probably be more so like up here, at least, because that's the 30-minute high right there. So it's not bad. It's not bad, especially when you look to the left of like this right there. But it's for some reason, I do not like the way that it pulled back in the last like little second right there. And then you got the 5-minute candle that's closing hella bullish, breaking that high now. So I feel like if it does run, I don't think it would fill the whole range or nothing like that before 9. So even if it did run a little bit and still left some range for the 1 hour closure at 9 a.m., it would still be straight to keep running down and fill, these candles that came up. Because what goes up must come down in some order or fashion. Melinda said she's been doing this for 30 days. Max 1,600 yesterday. You the GOAT, man. I ain't make money for years. Consistently, at least. But yeah, definitely join this. It's picking up for sure. Sure. Like I said, Shonda shouting my name. I appreciate you.
Sure did.
I talked to Ray today. Ray was like, send me that.
That's so crazy.
I want to learn. He's like, we got to get you to teach this at team meeting or something. I was like, team meeting?
Oh, you're going to be in trouble. You're going to have 400 agents on here.
It's all good. It makes me better.
Yeah.
It makes me better, truthfully. Like I can run the play and tell you exactly what to do. You know what I'm saying? But it just keeps me honest. It keeps me accountable
Yeah.
and all that good stuff. And I like that. And it's
Yeah.
just kind of, it's like a mastermind of sorts, really.
Yeah, it's coaching.
It is. It really is.
Being accountable to what you're teaching. I'm
It
with
really
you.
is.
I get
So,
it.
like, I mean, it's so funny because my mentor, I paid him $500 back in 2022, and his coaching now is $129 a month, and he deserve it. He deserve it. I mean, he a killer. He make $100,000 days and stuff. He does it consistently. You know what I'm saying? So and the way I tell people, I'm like, what would an extra 1,000 a month do for you?
That
Let
part.
alone an extra 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Pay for my my virtual assistant.
See?
Literally,
There
I'm
you go.
like
There you go.
another stream to
There you go.
cover costs. Yep.
So, and while we're waiting on this closure, because Tonio, I think you can attest, I don't think we doing nothing until 9, brother.
Yeah,
The way we look. But
So
it's nice.
what are y'all watching to have happen here?
So let me go ahead and turn this down a little bit. So, you know how I just said I want a closure below here?
Yeah.
I didn't get a clean, obvious closure below there. Like, that's right on the brink. I'm not messing with that. So my next closure is 9 a.m. So I was waiting on 8:45. Now I'm waiting on 9.
Okay.
If nothing's at 9, I'm waiting on 9:15. I'm literally just waiting for 15-minute increment closures. That's all I'm waiting on. So, like, that's why, like, I be telling people, if you want to go to the 5-minute, I can find a whole bunch of moves on the 5-minute if I'm zoomed in like this. Like, I can always do that. But I want to keep it simple, stupid. I'm gonna go to the 30-minute, and I'm simply waiting on the closure below this range.
And that's when you'll get in.
And that's when I'll wait for a wick up, a break of this low, targeting right here. Exactly. So in a perfect world, like I said, I got plenty of videos on it and plenty of recaps on it. And what I even implemented for my people. Let's see. I'm going to pull it up over here. I even have timestamps now, y'all. So I even got timestamps where you can go exactly to where we got in the trades right there. So this example, you see how I closed below right there? Closed below. It never broke the low that it closed below. But as soon as it breaks it, let's see if I can. It got me in right there. So it'll get me in right there. I drag my stop loss up there. I can drag my take profit down here if I want to. But I see this clean candle right here that's mirroring up. The same way it came up, it's the same way I'm expecting it to come down. So I'm going, let's see if I drag it down. Drag that down right there. Cool. And I don't need the whole move. I know I don't need the whole move. With how many accounts I have and the size that I trade, I don't need the whole move. So I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. But for example, boom. Let's see. Yeah, closed out at that point. And if you say, okay, there you go. Boom. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. Got a closure below. Candle wicked up to kind of retest the area that it just broke out from right there. Didn't break the low. Didn't break the low. Candle broke the low. I didn't need the whole range. I just needed most of it. Cool. Boom. 29 pips. So, like I said, repetition. It's really just going to come down to repetition, seeing the same thing over and over. But this was a great example because this is kind of what I'm waiting on right here. A clear, easy closure below, targeting right into here. That's all it is.
Okay.
I just want a closure below, targeting into here. Closure below, targeting into here. And I always say I need a wick up to retest the broken support, which is right here. You see how these candles have wicked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I get a candle that closes below what couldn't close below 9 times, it's likely that we're gonna head down because we've obviously shown that we've rejected all these times. So if we rejected all these times, that means that once we finally do get a clear closure below, once we start breaking these wicks and these wicks and these wicks, that thing is going to shoot down. And if that's 42 pips, I'm cool if I get 20. I'm cool if I get 25. I'm cool if I get 30. I don't need the whole move. I want to come in second place. I simply want to come in second because the market is always going to win. They say 95% of people fail. Why do 95% of people fail? They hold too long. They over risk. They can't control their emotions when it's in drawdown. It's a lot of things that go into why people lose. But so many people in here have gotten payouts just since joining because they've literally just become a sponge to what I'm saying. If you can focus on 1 to 2 trades a day, 1 to 2 hours a day, then you can definitely be successful in it. And honestly, like people know on here that be watching me every day, it's rare that we get a trade at 8:30. It's usually between 9 and 9:45-ish. 9:45. So you'll hear me say another thing, volume time. So you have what's called times of volume. So you have 8 a.m. and once again, this will be recorded so you can go back and listen whenever. 8 a.m., which is New York Open. So it's the New York Open the Forex, futures, and everything in between. You have 8:20, which is the commodities exchange open. You have 8:30, which is when there's high impact news. So how do you find news? It's forexfactory.com. The U.S. government is shut down right now, so there is no news that's actually releasing. But when there is news, there's usually high impact news that releases at 8:30 a.m. That's what you'll see in unemployment claims, tentative. That would be 8:30, but it's not going to happen because the government shut down. And lastly, you have 9:30, which is the New York Stock Exchange open. So during all those times, you'll see when gold has a lot of volume. And in volume, that's all we want to see because you don't want to trade when the market is printed side by side like this. You want to trade when you see this and this. So you have nice clean moves and clean ranges and things of that nature. So when you start pairing everything together, like a closure above here or a closure below here at 9:30, after you get a perfect retest to the upside and you're just trying to target down into here, it all starts to make more and more sense. But you just gotta keep putting those pieces of the puzzle together. So like I said, I ain't gonna talk your ear off because it's a lot today, but hopefully we catch something today that'll kind of make it make more sense, just kind of as you go. But I appreciate you tapping in for sure. Day one, ready to learn.
Yeah, excited.
Day one, ready to learn. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. And I think, like I said, that my best, I mean, much like in real estate, the best like compliments are referrals. And I'm sure everybody on here can vouch. Like I've seen everyone's trading go full 180, just since committing to it. And Jamal, I was telling Shonda yesterday, I was like, Jamal is my damn A+ student at this point. He committed for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and got a whole payout. Like, that's crazy. It took me 4 years to get one payout. Jamal did it in 20 days, 25 days. So it's definitely doable. Definitely doable.
God is good.
Amen.
That part.
Appreciate you being here, brother.
Appreciate the class, man. Appreciate the class.
Sir. Tony, I'm looking at one more thing, by the way.
What up?
Closure above here.
I was thinking about
up
that.
into here.
I was thinking
What'd you
about
say?
that idea.
Fake out.
We'll see.
Let's see how the 1 hour is about to close. Ooh, and then if the 1 hour can close bullish after grabbing orders to the downside, closure back above. 30-minute break of the weak bearish high. Let's see. I gave Roger the play yesterday. He didn't want to take it. It was after the stream. He said, what about no bottom wick on the 15? I'm looking at the higher time frames, my brother. 1 hour. 30 minutes. I'm not worried about that. That's not bad. Am I worried about this 5-minute resistance right here? Should I just go ahead and move it on up? Price action says that we still closing above there with a weak bearish candle. That's what y'all will also come to realize, anatomy of candles. So This candle broke this low, and it's closing hella weak bearish. What does it look like it's trying to do? Come down, go up. It didn't want to close below. So now it's closing back above, potentially. This resistance right here to the left on the 15 minute. So I'm using all my time frames. I look at the 1 hour. I say the 1 hour is closing kind of doji but bullish. I look at the 30 minute. I say, this 30 minute candle is closing above this most recent resistance right here. We have a wick to fill right here, which is 60 pips. On the 15 minute, you have 15 minute candles closing at / above this resistance right here. So it's not bad. It's definitely not bad. But we'll see what happens in 1 minute, 27 seconds, which is the 15, 30, 1 hour, all those closures. Damn, Tony, I really want to take it on the break of that high, but that 15 minute resistance is scaring me a little bit, but it might close above though. It might close above. If I get a 30 minute or a new candle opening downward to give me a bottom wick to retest this area, I will consider having a buy stop above the break of this high right here. Damn, that shit just grabbed a lot of liquidity to the downside. Go ahead and leave a wick, please. Anticipating that after grab these wicks or grab these orders down here on people that were interested in sell, that now the direction is still bullish on the day from the daily time frame. So let's see. 1 hour candle closing bullish, 30 minute closing bullish or weak bearish. I need a bottom wick. I'm not using this big ass stop loss, which would be basically 106 pips. I can't use that with the risk I trade on. So I gotta find what makes the most sense for a stop loss. And that's why I be saying I need a bottom wick to preferably use the entry candle as my stop loss. Worst come to worst, I might use, I can't even use that as 57. All right, let's see. I want a bottom wick. I want a better bottom wick than that. I think that's enough. I want to re-break its low one more time. I want more than that. Damn. I want a little bit more than that. Just a little bit more than that. If it goes, it goes. But I want a little bit more than this little bottom wick right now. If it can re-break its own low, I'll add a buy stop at the break of that high. It's not a bad position to take right now, but I just want a little bit more than that. Damn. Tonio, what you think, bro? Should we just get in it?
7 tick bottom wick, bro.
We've seen it too many times just come out and get us out the paint, and then it's happening in the first minute of the 1 hour.
I'm scared.
I'm scary too. Fuck. It did close above though, and there goes your 15.
Yeah, somebody that's not scary is winning right now.
I'm telling you, I'm super scary. Damn, bro. So this is why I didn't get in, y'all. I wanted to retest this little area. I want a little bit more than this. It's not a bad position by any means. Damn. I'm telling you, I've been the view lately. I just been looking.
That wasn't bad.
Nah, it wasn't bad. Jumping up for a bit. I'm itching for a payout. Damn. It's still a lot of room though. Even if this 15 minute just don't run the hell off and like says closes like this. But let's see. Yeah, like you said, someone that's not scary definitely winning. Damn. So 18 wouldn't have been enough for me. I would have been stop loss to break even right now, most likely. Let's see. All the time I need. Hey man, listen. I just don't got the time, bro. Okay, let me ask you this though, Tonio. If this come down, make a better bottom wick, would you take it on a break of this high, or has it ran too much?
I think it's still room. I think it's still a little bit of range right there for me.
For you, yeah. I mean, you still got a wick to fill.
Yeah,
That's a
but
whole
that's
40
still
pip
40,
wick.
yeah.
Damn. Come on, 5 minutes. Come down. Shit. I just knew at
But
that
I
5
do
minutes.
think
It's about to go. It's about to go. It's still not enough for me though. What they say? No wick, no entry. I played my song too early. That's okay.
If it breaks its own low, I mean, you never know. If it breaks its own low, it may even feel that wick. But who knows? But it's pushing right now.
Yeah, it is. Like I said, that wasn't a bad move. It's just, bro, I just don't mess with that no stop loss shit, bro. And then, honestly, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I would have hit break even there, so it would have just been fees for me. So, because I know how I get when I'm close to payout. So, for me specifically, that would have been, I'd have seen 18 and came down, and they would have got me off at stop loss or break even, most likely. I can't guarantee what I would have done, but like I said, most of the time, especially the closer I get to payouts, I go ahead and go stop loss or break even. I'm not playing that game like I played last or 2 Fridays ago where I seen 15 one trade and 17 one trade and took fucking losses. Like I can't do that no more. So this is cool. This is fine and dandy. Like he just said, I mean, come on, bro. Not only did you have this candle pushing up without a bottom wick, but you also had this candle, which was a 6 pip bottom wick on a whole 1 hour candle, and price breaking the high in the first minute or two of the 1 hour candle. I'm scary, but that's just not my move right now. That's not my move right now. I want to say that just gave close to 30. Damn, Tonio. I need to be risking it for that biscuit, man.
Man, with a 7 pip bottom wick.
But I guess at that point, some people look at it as it's only a 7 pip bottom wick, so just take it. But like, I done got whacked out the paint so much. Let's see. So that was, and technically speaking, just because of like the price action, the way it closed, it did close above everything right there. So, but it just didn't even touch nothing. Like it didn't retest anything. That's 2 days in a row where the move was, well, man, not yesterday. I ain't trusting to break it all-time high. It's just with no nothing. Okay. I'm still not mad at it though. Because honestly, I'm wondering what this 15 minute gonna close like. I think that this shit still has room to go. Funny enough. I'm really not even worried about this 15 minute resistance right here. Depending. I'm looking at the 30 minute and say the 9:15 or 9:30 candle closes. Right? Like somewhere like down here. You still got the rest of this to go. Oh, all good, all good. Forgive me for being scared, y'all. Like I said, the devil on the shoulder says do it. Damn. It was price action though, bruh. Grabbed all them orders to the downside, bro. Closed above everything. Just not much of a bottom wick. That stop wasn't even 19. Now that I'm looking harder, bro, that shit was like 70, bro. Nah. It's likely 9:30 for me, champ. But I'm gonna see what 9:15 talking about. Came right into this 9:15 resistance too. I kept something. I wonder if this is just about to keep breaking up all day. Tonio, to think that you only need 15 though. You could have taken that. That's a 1-to-1 for you. Coulda. I don't know. Like I said, it's just something about taking them B trades and C plus. Like that was probably a B trade, B-ish,
Yeah,
just because of the
wasn't
closure above all this. But man, let's see how many have you hit so far. 40. I like it. I still think we got so much time left in the day. I just hate buying up here, bro. Fuck. You playing with it, Tonio? You playing with it today? 9:30?
No. I'm about to go use the restroom, man.
Man, I wanted the bottom wick. Why? I remember this happened a couple weeks ago. I ain't even gonna trip about it, bro. Why? If I'd have got about a 10 more pip bottom wick, that'd have been a different case, bro. I cannot use no damn 7 pip bottom wick for that new 1 hour candle. What the hell? And some bullshit.
Brandon said break of the high is 4 hour flip too.
Not gonna hold you. I'm fucking with the break of the high with that price. It's not bad. You got a point. Unfortunately, this devil has a point. That's right. Price been running up all week. But it's just like, bro.
Scary. He right though.
He right. Based off of 4 hour price action, which we go off of the highest time frames. But on this 4 hour candle, I guess price didn't even break yet the highs. They got right to it and respected it. So if it does break again, it should give me 20. I'll say that. I will genuinely admit that it should give 20. Granted, we'll see. Okay, Brandon. Broken clock right twice a day. You ain't broken. We'll see. What you think about that, Antonio? Based off of the 4 hour price action now.
I mean, it looked good, but I'm scared. Like I said before, I'm scared.
Man, you just need 15. Hush.
Nah, for real though.
All right.
It look good though.
Let's see. Yeah, it do look good. Okay. 4071.5. Got to be quick with the cut if you do take that.
Like I don't even think I can take a 2 on this.
Nah, I take a 1. I'm gonna take a 2. Okay. All right. Brandon's right. Based off of 4 hour price action, 4071.5. Sorry, I'm gonna put a right click, buy stop, and then same as the case over here. Right click, buy stop, and there ain't no guarantee I get in it. I hate buying all-time highs. Anybody that knows me knows I hate buying all-time highs. I really do. But if you want to go off the price action of the 4 hour candle, price spent all this time making a down wick. It rejected out of all these supports The 1 hour candle is breaking all these highs. Wick has been filled, which it would have been great to have caught that move. But highest time frame says 4 hour within the daily that we should be buying up. It's just about if price action's on your side when you get in. That's all it really comes down to. There's really not no stop loss aside from maybe using the entry candle, but y'all know me and y'all know I'm not sitting in 50 pip drawdown if I have anything to say about it. So let's see, it's close. I'm gonna go ahead and make right click, put my limit sell up here.
I was about to say, would I be wrong? Oh, man.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm in. Oh my goodness. I'm already down to it.
You see what I'm saying?
Man.
Like, would I be wrong to get it out right now?
I'm telling you, because I'm about to. I'm about to. Oh,
like,
nope.
I can't.
Order filled.
Nope.
I'm not playing that game, bro.
I'm not playing that game, bro. Not playing it. If you break it again, I might, but I'm not playing that game. Let's see. So, damn. See, it's the same shit, bro.
And I said I wasn't gonna let it go below negative 100. See?
I mean, I only lost 23, so I ain't mad about that. But same shit, bro. You gotta pay to play. Let's see. Okay, cool. I think I might have it. I might set it again. I ain't gonna lie, just to play, because if it breaks it again after the 15-minute opens, I think it's gonna go. But I'm just not fucking with them trades right now, bro. I'm just not fucking with them trades right now. The 15-minute. See, the 15-minute just got right to a resistance. Let's see what happens. He said, would I be wrong to cut it right now?
For real.
I don't want to revenge, but I feel the same move that always happened, which is the sell out of here, which is the bottom wick. Break of this low after it just broke these highs. Let's see. I might try my hand. Maybe. No guarantee. Because it's breaking a weak bearish low. So when it has done that, damn, I hate fucking losing. That's all good. $60.5. And that's just me anticipating that price to do what it did here. And it's nothing but a quick bottom wick. Like, it ain't like this ain't my long move or nothing like that. But it's the same move that happened after we done rejected out of these highs again, and we potentially could be coming down. If you don't like the move, huh?
I said I'm taking a 2.
Yeah, I just want my little 20 pips back, for real, and then I'll need to reassess. Damn. Let's see, because how big is that stop loss if I were to use that? See, 24, 25, 27 pips. Such a waste. Just a waste, Tonio. Just feel like a waste. So it respected right here. That's the reason I'm taking this trade. It respected right there.
Order filled. Stop filled.
All right, come on, bro.
They got one more time to play with me. Oh my!
That might be your one. That may be your one.
Mercy.
Let me see. I'm putting a 5 stop for it.
Yep, I'm fried.
No, you're not.
Okay.
No, you're not, bro.
Okay.
Let me see if it got me in all my positions over here. Nah, it didn't. It didn't even activate me on all my positions. My Tradeify accounts didn't even get activated. I got one running over there. I'm down 14. Come on, bro. Re-break the damn low and go. Make your bottom wick.
That just irritated me.
You and me both. I'm talking about clipping. Oh my god.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, that just
I
fried
can't
me.
do nothing and watch it go. Watch it come down. Well, there's my well, like I said, I only took a one. It didn't even get me in on my damn trade debate or these accounts.
It's like you do all that work to get it back where it need to be, and then one day, this shit
One
is
little day.
crazy, bro.
One little day. So ass.
Mm.
I'm so ass. And watch her.
I'm 36 away from account breach, just that quick.
That motherfucking quick. That's so ass. Let me see this. Oh, that's
Man, hey.
now it's about to come on down. Of course. I just didn't want to lose a full position. Whoever's holding, still hold it. Never technically hit the damn stop loss. What's new? Way it fell right here, same way I'm expecting the fall right here. Same shit every day.
I'm not gonna lie. Next trade we take, I'm about to throw like a 3 or a 4 because it ain't
Get
no
it back.
point. Yeah,
There you
what
go.
I'm saying, it ain't no point. I'm 20 ticks away on a 2.
Yeah, I mean, at that point, you might as well just try to get all of it. There it goes. 15 minute, making a bottom wick. So stupid.
Man, but I'll tell you what, bro.
I'm gonna just wait on 9:30 because I mean I ain't hit my max or nowhere near my max or nothing like that. But Jesus Christ, bro. Jesus. What was my entry? We'll be up 10. You would think 15 is just easy to come by. Here we go. 5 minute breaking on down. You can't make it up, bruh. You can't make it up. There's your 15, Tonio. Let's see if the 15. All you can do is laugh. All you can do is laugh. There goes the 30. 34. Oh man, that's funny. Antonio, surely it's not that hard to get 15, right?
Man.
Surely it's not that hard to catch 50, right? You can't make this shit up, y'all. You can't make it up. Whoever held, congratulations. It did what it did right there. It did what it did right there. It's simple fucking price action. Price closed back below this range on the 5 minute time frame. Broke a weak bullish low. Huh?
It's about to make a bottom width for the 30 in the hour.
That's all it was doing. That's all it was doing.
Crazy, bro.
Like, we've seen this story too many times, man. Honestly, though, at 9:30 on a break of a weak bearish low, it's probably not bad either. But man, damn it. And it came right to there. Too funny, bro. It's too funny. You say you on a 3? What you going a 3 for? 10?
Man, I'm about to go. I'm about to. Man, hey,
3 for 30.
I,
The move so damn simple, bro. I knew someone called it. Adrian said I caught 30. Yeah, bro. Like simple price action, man. Like all you do is look to the left. So what happened every time we respected this same high right here? Every time. Closure below. I just anticipated that once we got in, that it would get me in for real. And it did. My stop was 29 and I cut it at 21. When it's like, it's one of those things where you can't say, I'm gonna just let it hit the full stop loss if you feel like it's gonna go to hit your stop loss, because you just wasting pips at that point. You might as well cut it early. But then sometimes, like y'all be knowing, if I cut it, it might just do what it did. It just respected like this and still came on down. Especially when this candle closed the way it did. This candle broke that new low. It was game time, ready to go. Came right into here. But like I said, I'm looking at the 30-minute now. If 30-minute close something like this, I'm taking that 930 break of that low right there. And that's gonna be my trade to get it back. But damn, bro, that shit be annoying. Probably targeting like right into here.
well, this is the make or break trade.
Don't make it break.
Man, okay.
Be annoying though, bro. That'd be so annoying though.
Bro, I'm 20 pips away on a 3.
So why risk it all?
I mean, 20 pips away on a 2. My bad.
Oh, nigga, you cook, man. Use a 2. Yeah, give yourself a little bit. A 3, you playing. You say you 20 pips away on a 2, you 10 pips away on a 3 then.
Yeah.
Or like like 13. I know you don't expect to see 13 pip drawdown these days, but obviously they just want to clip you in.
I mean,
bruh,
I guess.
You know what I'm most mad about? I'm not mad because Brandon was right. It definitely was price action flip. I stuck to my rule yesterday about not taking that break of the daily on all-time highs. And I should have just let it go the same way I did yesterday. That's what I should have done. That's what I should have done in hindsight. So, moral of the story. Like I said, I'm not mad by any means. It's just I've seen this exact move play out a few times now. It hardly breaks the high. It closes back below, respecting some shit, and then it starts to make a down wick. And then this hour didn't have a bottom wick. Like it was a lot of reasons why it was good to just wait. It's all good though. It's all good. Let's see the break of this low, 20-ish into this support right here on the 1 hour. But I'm anticipating a 30-minute candle is gonna really come. It's gonna come crashing down. We're like 35. 40. Let's see. Let's see. When you put the sell stop, could you let me know the price action you are taking so I don't have to zoom in to see when you put the sell stop? Just a break of the weak bullish low and the 30-minute. Trusting that 930 volume is gonna take it down after we don't have a bottom wick on the 1 hour candle. 15-minute is now creating a resistance. What happened when we closed? Same shit. What happened when we closed below here? Last couple times, came right into here. But I don't want it to close this far away because you gotta, like I always say, you gotta come down 30, 40, 50 pips just to get in. I prefer if this can close like kind of in here somewhere. Kind of like right. Let's see. 3 minutes. I'm just chilling till then. 3 minutes. When you put this up, you let me know the price. It'll probably be 4061.2. So the break of this low right here. Anticipating that volume is gonna bring this bitch on down. This song name, Tony, is called "It'll Be All Right." Bro, it's just most annoying. Like I said, both those could have been avoided. There's waiting for one and for two. Because Roger even said it. He was like, bro, if you taking all-time highs, you got to at least wait on 930 for it. And that's true. Because, bro, there's no guarantee that this shit be gonna run. And then this, I'm not mad at me managing risk. I'm really not. It's just kind of how I chose to play. Like, I'd rather lose 21 than lose 30. I'm not mad about that. But let's see. So it would be, let me see if I can get that back. If not, that's what I'm calling it a day. Here, probably target here, right there. I need this shit to chill though for this last minute, 28 seconds. And I need a top wick. So everyone knows. No, don't feel the range, please. Don't feel the range, please. Leave some range. Because it's kind of closing back in range if you look at the 15. So it should still have room to go at 930. Let's see. I said it was 40.61, whatever, but now it done came down more and there ain't as much room left, which is still fine. I'm anticipating that price action is gonna do what it does, but I need a wick and I need a top wick. So I don't need this thing to keep falling. Really need to start pulling back. Shit. Come on now. All right, let's see what we can do. Come on now, pull back. Ten seconds. 10 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Well, there's 30 in 10 seconds for whoever caught it. Tonio, what say you, brother? Bruh.
Man.
It gave the small top wick for 17 again. Man, y'all making me want to be impulsive. Price magnet, yeah, definitely has right in a resistance here. Now, probably looking at a closure above here again, or a closure below here. And I'll even move it down since I'm waiting on the 15 minute now. And what's so crazy is, it's like, depending on how aggressive you want to be, like, you definitely could have used, man, it made me want to get in on an impulse entry on a break of the wicks. But I really don't want to be impulsive after, like, I can make just a simple loss day a real bad day for no reason. Let's see. Because as I always say, if I did get in on the break of these wicks, which if it breaks these wicks, it should come on down into here. But you gotta anticipate that prices already ran down from 80 pips up here. But I'll see, because I'll even go down to the 5 minute and just see. But can't deviate. You gotta stick true to the system, the setups. Don't turn a bad trade into a bad day or bad week or a bad month. It's not worth it. Let's see here. 5 minutes. You know what's so ass, Tonio? I
What
gotta
up?
mark up a loss on something like this. I feel like a dickhead. So let me go ahead and put in my little loss. Let me go ahead and put in my minus 216. So stupid. Same trade. I'm looking at 845 or 945. Closure back above here. Same way it did. Rejecting out of this resistance. Let's see. So, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was a fake out. Price rejected out of all-time highs. Utilized the 5-minute as I have seen this play out times before. Candles to the left, closed below, and had massive falls. Price found playing out after exiting -1. Could use full stops, but I prefer to mitigate risk. It is what it is. Cool. So price rejected out of these all-time highs, barely clipped it. This 5-minute candle closed back below. What other times did it close below? What did it do? Came down here, called it to the T. Just price wasn't on my side on the original. It is what it is. So, and then the other trade was bigger loss. Break of daily high. It is what it is. All right. This is coming down and down and down and down. So now we'll see if price wants to come down, break this 30-minute, this low right here, which it just did. 5-minute candle just closed below everything. Oof. Honestly, it should, if it breaks this low, it should come on down into here. This is a good top wick. I'm gonna set a sell stop on the 5-minute price action. I don't use a 5-minute often, but with this volume, I'm willing to use it. And like I always say, whoever don't want to take it, stay out. But this is a 5-minute candle. Price is moving like a mother. It's falling. We got price action making top wicks. It looks something like this. So that's 4052.1. I can't use that full 46 pip stop loss because that's too much for me. But that's the technical stop. If it breaks that low, I'm anticipating that we're gonna have a call. If
order filled.
Stop filled.
Drag this down. Come on now, push. Oh no. Come on, push.
I ain't gonna lie, I got all that fire. I had to take that money off the table. I'm sorry.
Man, keep pushing.
Order
There we
Order
go.
filled.
There we go. There we motherfucking go. All right. Okay. All right. Price action on that. 5-minute candle closed below the range to the left. We had nothing but clean range to the left into this zone. Perfect exit. Made 36 pips back there. Actually in the positive on my other accounts over here. Actually made too much, made 2,000 on these accounts. So now I got to make 2,049. So that is definitely going to be my day on my prop accounts. And I'm down 89 on these accounts. So that's it. That's all. And it's been a day, y'all. It's been a day. Let me mark that up.
Boy, I tell you what.
Damn. Now I'm wondering, do I go ahead and lose on purpose?
man, the way that shit is moving.
I don't nah, you right. I just gotta play the game. Just play the game. It ain't no point, bruh. But then again, let's see what I gotta make now though. Cause my highest balance is 2,049. So 2,049 times 5 will be making 10,245 instead of making 9,000. That's an extra band, bro. That's
Wow.
a lot. Damn.
Man, that's the quickest 24 I've ever seen.
Well, you got back
that
in?
I just took. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm only down on the day $46 now. That's cool.
Call it. Y'all, bro. It's like, Tonio, you gonna make me get on that phone with you again after the goddamn? You gonna make me call you again, bro? It's like the moves be right there. It's so simple, bro. It's so simple, bro.
Like that little trailer right there made me wish I would have took a 3, but it's okay.
Nah,
I'm cool right now.
Nah, I don't like that method, sir.
You talking about I don't like that?
I don't like that. I don't like that. Damn, I made too much. I got slipped. Okay, so I took a 3. All right. 5-minute closure below the range. New 5-minute open with no bottom wick and gave 50 pip. It was like 40 pip top wick. Entry on re-break of previous candles low. Targeted 30-minute support to the left. Yeah, simple. Really fucking simple. And you know, Tonio, the worst part about it all, I can make this money. I can make 14 bands, but it just don't feel good, man. And that's the worst part of it all. I think objective opinion. Do you think I should? You think I should call it and just make that 10 grand on that account, or you think I should just lose on purpose? Try to lose on purpose.
I mean, you can try to lose. You can look at how the price is moving.
And like for example, on this 5-minute right here, take the sell on the break of this high for the like when it should buy. But then if that shit start pulling back, I'm gonna be looking like Brandon. The thing I don't like doing is acting like I can't hit for that extra band. You know what I'm saying? Like it ain't really that big of a deal.
I mean,
I'll see.
If you feel like
that price is gonna do what it's gonna do.
Yeah, that is gonna do what it need to do, then yeah, go ahead and do it.
Because that means that
but the
I only gotta lose 200. Now, well, the most I can make in a day is 1,800.
Is crazy.
What'd you say?
I said the volume that's in these candles right now is crazy. Like it could jump you all the way.
I didn't even
profit.
go stop loss to break even. Like I literally, like I need to go back and rewatch the stream. I need to go back and look at my face. I'm probably like, because I made.
Because I tried to get out when it jumped to like 26 ticks, but I couldn't even press it fast enough how fast it jumped. Right.
Bro.
We got it in and I instantly was up $500.
See? Man. Look, and then I would have made money on taking a sell on that buy.
Yeah, a lot of it.
It's so funny though, because it's so little. Like, let me see what I'm up on them Lucid accounts now that I think about it. Nigga, I might have just hit 9,000. I think I did. Yeah, 9,063. 9,019. 87.59. I mean, if all I gotta do is that's just one more day. That's the same shit anyway, basically.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, if I now have to make 10,245 and I'm trading motherfucking sixes, I was gonna do that anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna play with it. I don't think I want to play with that. I don't think I want to play with that. Because I'm gonna have to trade tomorrow anyway. Like, say I lost $200, I'll be trading tomorrow anyway. You know what I really can do?
What?
I was gonna say I can go down on my lot size to 4s instead of 6s.
Yeah.
But then I still would have to make 1,000 to 1,200. So I would have to make 30 on a 4 rather than 20 on a 6. I think I just keep it where it's at. Because if I'm not mistaken, every account is different. So this is my direct 001. So my direct 001 is 2019.60. So 2019.60 times 5 is 10,098. So I'm literally $1,025 away on that. 18 pips on a 6. And then on my 002, it's only 1959. So 1959 times 5 is 9,795. So yeah, bro, it ain't that deep.
Yeah.
To be honest, it ain't.
I hope we get this clean volume tomorrow,
bro. And that's
or
what I was
Friday.
telling Don, and I hope she come back and watch the stream because I wonder how everybody made out. Because I know them fucking first 2 losses were so stupid, pointless. But bro, that's so that 5-minute closure below, that was like the old me. Because you got to think about it. 30-minute was bone rushing down. We was breaking 1, 2, 3 wicks during a time of volume, and we got a closure below them bodies on the 5. So with that being said, wick up, retested the support.
I don't know. It's
Great
looking
fall.
real clean right now.
That's how this shit should be, bruh. That boy said, I saw 500. I had to take that.
Instantly.
Why, God?
560 to be exact.
So smooth little 23. Adrian, you catch any of that last little 5-minute move? Good trade.
You know I did.
Yes, sir. That's a big day for you. I know it is.
Well, no, I was in that first one you had. So I'm
man,
still up.
bullshit.
No, I'm still up for the day though. But not that
Listen.
it's good.
But the great thing about trading is, and Roger, you said I agree. Can you tell me what you agree to? I forget what you're referring to. But anyway,
But
the great thing about trading
lucid
is
trading account.
the lucid. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, It is you when you get to thinking about too much other shit. It's not. It ain't like going in there to lose on purpose to have to trade tomorrow anyway. Like, bro, whatever. I got more buffer for the next time. Like, okay, cool. So anyway, yeah. The thing about trading that's so awesome is you get to form fit what you think based on previous data and experience. So, Tonio.
Yes, sir.
I'm done on all-time high buys, bro. I'm done.
Yeah, I think I'm just done with not all-time highs, but daily highs in general. I think I like daily lows better.
I like daily lows better too. I told Roger that yesterday. I said, bro, have you noticed that daily lows be shooting the hell down? Shooting down. Like, I don't know what it is, but like, it's like buying anything. It's like, I said it to Jamal a couple days ago. I was like, bro, it's like buying a house at the top of the market. Like, you buying something at the all-time highs. Yeah, you expect it to go 15, 20, 30, but it don't. But like you said, though, I'll do it like if it come down and down and down and down and it just break the daily high at 9:30, I'll do that. But all times, I'm cool. I'm cool. I can't play this game no more because it's no real method behind it. It's no real logic behind it, you know?
Right.
That's why I don't like it. When you take that break of that daily high during the time of volume at 9:30, like when we first started this shit back in June, bro, it was cake. It was right here is the daily high. Buy stop, boom. Simple. Come up. 130-minute candle, had a buy stop right here. Who ain't getting out at 33 pips on a break of the daily high? I'm cool. That's my day.
This is so crazy. Like right now, it's just overly clean.
Don't let us get under here.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. That's what I just
like. Don't let us close.
It's overly clean, bro.
Don't let us close below here. Like that's what I be saying, bro.
Like that's where we need to be tomorrow when I wake up.
Man. So let's see, because I made 721.80 on those Tradeify accounts. So let me go look at what my Tradeify dashboard looked like. 721.80. I'll just go to the lowest. 2906. 721.80 plus 2906 is 3,627.80. I need to get to 935.20 times 4. That's 4,000. 934.5. 4,674. So 4,674 minus 4,674 minus 3,627. 4,000. So I still got like I'm 1,000 away on all accounts. We'll just say it like that. I'm cool. I'd just rather keep trading, honestly, than go in there trying to lose just to. Because it's not like I'm gonna take 3 pips tomorrow on a 6. Like it ain't no difference. I'm gonna trade how I normally trade. I'm gonna go for like 20 pips tomorrow on my 2.
How much you up today, James?
Across all accounts, I am up $14,465.68.
That's crazy.
So it was small loss, slight lot up for the biggest win. So I lost 21 pips, 23 pips, made 36 pips on a slight lot up because I like the position. And you see, so basically I would be down 8 pips if I were trading on the same lot, ones. But the way I'm able to manipulate with those prop firms, I'm able to increase risk, take down my risks, etc. So just climbing for real. Climbing. Like I said, I would have liked to have less. Like I didn't anticipate making no damn $2,000 a day. But it's a good problem to have. Like, whatever. I'll get there. We'll just keep it like that. It's too much when you start doing too much other thinking about different stuff, like, bro, let me go in and see if I can lose this much. Like, bro, like it ain't no point when your shit look like this, bro. Like, it ain't no point. You know the end result, so why are you trying to go in and purposely lose? The loser's mentality. Unless you just hella far. Like if you got a 50K account and you made 1,200 on a day, sir, I would suggest you go ahead and lose expeditiously. But if you like 1,000 away or $100 away, like $500 away, it ain't. So, Antonio, I don't know about you, my brother, but that's probably my day. That shit was clean. But that's the importance of mitigating risk. Like I said, it would have been nice to have just caught this from up here and caught the big fall. But I mean, at the end of the day, simple 5-minute closure below the range. This candle wick straight up to retest this support that we were looking for a closure below in the first place. Entry on the break of this low. Support was right here, found on the 30-minute time frame. It was good to go. No more break of the all-time highs. Daily highs, yes. All-time highs, no. So, yeah, man. Some of y'all might want to stay here till 10 and 10:15 and 10:30. But if I know my game, meaning Roger, Jamal, Antonio, Adrian, Brandon, my newbies, I don't know if they're going to be here still. I don't know. Those who are on the YouTube, please like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Y'all been definitely showing love with the likes, subscriptions, the consistency. I'm at 357 subscribers. Was just at 240 like last week. So it's definitely dope to see it growing. But cool day. Cool day. Like I said, across all accounts, made 14 bands. On my little personal account, lost 89. But I think I'll take that trade off. So, all right, y'all. Well, I'm about to hop off of here and I'll be back on tomorrow. I'll put timestamps on the YouTube as I always do. Everything is recorded, came fake results, and we will be back on it. I'll be back on tomorrow. I'll definitely be back on tomorrow. I'm on a heater right now, so I'm trading Thursdays. But if I hit my profit target tomorrow, I most likely will take Friday off and enjoy a long weekend. So all people do is trade micros, buy or sell, and let the fees drain the extra profit. It's true. True. But, all right. See y'all. I'll be easy. Roger, hit my line.